Ever found yourself staring at your crypto portfolio, wishing you could instantly swap some of that Bitcoin for Ethereum or convert a portion of your stablecoins into something with more growth potential? Maybe you've seen a promising altcoin surging, and you're thinking, if only I could easily get my hands on that without jumping through a dozen hoops. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental and incredibly useful features for any crypto investor: how to seamlessly convert one cryptocurrency to another, specifically on the Newton platform. For many of us, the journey into cryptocurrency started with a simple purchase, maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. We got in, we learned the basics, and then we realized that the crypto world is vast, dynamic, and full of opportunities beyond just holding one or two assets. But then comes the challenge: how do you actually diversify? How do you capitalize on emerging trends? How do you move your funds around efficiently without incurring exorbitant fees or waiting hours for transactions to confirm? This is where the ability to convert one crypto to another becomes absolutely essential. Think about it. The market is constantly evolving. A project you invested in might hit its price target, and you want to take some profits and reallocate them into a new, exciting venture. Or perhaps you're holding a volatile asset and want to move some funds into a stablecoin during a market downturn to protect your gains. Maybe you just want to experiment with different ecosystems, like moving from the Ethereum blockchain to a Solana-based token. Whatever your reason, the ability to execute these conversions quickly and securely is a superpower in the crypto space. Now, why Newton, specifically? Newton is a Canadian-based cryptocurrency platform known for its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and strong regulatory compliance. They've made a concerted effort to simplify the crypto experience, and their conversion feature is a prime example of this. Unlike some more complex exchanges that might require intricate trading pairs, order books, and a deep understanding of market dynamics, Newton streamlines the process, making it accessible even for those who are relatively new to crypto. They focus on providing a straightforward way to manage your digital assets, which is incredibly valuable in a space that can often feel overwhelming. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage a little more. What exactly is a crypto conversion? At its core, it's simply exchanging one digital asset for another. When you convert on a platform like Newton, you're essentially telling the platform to sell one of your cryptocurrencies and immediately use the proceeds to buy another. It's like exchanging Canadian dollars for US dollars at a currency exchange, but instead of physical cash, it's digital assets. The beauty of this process on Newton is that it's designed to be quick, efficient, and transparent. You don't need to worry about setting limit orders or understanding complex trading interfaces. It's a direct swap. Now, let's talk about the practical implications and some scenarios where this feature truly shines. Imagine you bought Bitcoin a few months ago, and it's seen a significant price increase. You're happy with your gains, but you've been doing some research and you're really bullish on Polygon, Matic, and its potential for scaling Ethereum. Instead of cashing out your Bitcoin to fiat, then transferring that fiat back to your bank, and then redepositing it on Newton to buy Matic, a process that could take days and incur multiple fees, you can simply convert your Bitcoin directly to Matic within the Newton app in a matter of seconds. This saves you time, reduces fees, and keeps your funds within the crypto ecosystem, ready to be deployed into your next investment. Another common scenario involves managing risk. Let's say the crypto market is experiencing a period of high volatility. You're holding some altcoins that have performed well, but you're concerned about a potential downturn. You could convert a portion of those volatile assets into a stablecoin like USDC or USDT. These stablecoins are designed to maintain a peg to the US dollar, offering a safe haven during market corrections. Once the volatility subsides, or if you spot a new opportunity, you can easily convert your stablecoins back into the crypto of your choice. This strategic use of conversions allows you to actively manage your portfolio and adapt to changing market conditions without having to exit the crypto space entirely. And it's not just about profit-taking or risk management. Conversions are also crucial for exploring new opportunities. The crypto landscape is constantly expanding, with new projects and technologies emerging all the time. You might discover a fascinating DeFi protocol that requires a specific token, or you might want to participate in a new NFT marketplace that uses a different cryptocurrency for transactions. Instead of going through the laborious process of external transfers, you can often acquire the necessary tokens directly through Newton's conversion feature, making it incredibly convenient to dive into new areas of the crypto world. Alright, enough context and philosophy. Let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually do this on Newton? I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, assuming you already have a Newton account and some crypto holdings. If you don't, I highly recommend checking out our previous videos on setting up a Newton account and funding it, as those are prerequisites for this tutorial. Step 1. Log into your Newton account. This might seem obvious, but it's the first crucial step. Whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop interface, make sure you're securely logged in. Always double-check that you're on the official Newton website or app to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Navigate to the Trade or Convert section. On the Newton mobile app, you'll typically find a prominent Trade or Swap button at the bottom of the screen. On the desktop interface, it might be labeled Convert or be accessible through your portfolio view. Click on this option to begin the conversion process. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from. This is your source cryptocurrency. For example, if you want to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum, you would select Bitcoin here. Newton will display your available balance for each cryptocurrency, so you'll know exactly how much you have to work with. Make sure you have enough of the source crypto to complete the conversion, keeping in mind any minimum conversion amounts Newton might have. Step 4. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert to. This is your target cryptocurrency. Continuing our example, you would select Ethereum here. Newton supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies for direct conversion, so you should be able to find most of the popular assets. Step 5. Enter the amount you wish to convert. Newton will usually allow you to enter the amount in either the source currency or the target currency. For instance, you could say convert 0.1 BTC or convert enough BTC to get 2 ETH. The interface will dynamically update to show you the equivalent amount in the other currency based on the current market rate. This is where you need to be precise. Double-check the amount to ensure you're converting exactly what you intend to. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.